people who walked in darkness have seen a great light. Isaiah's words reach their fulfillment in the quiet fields of Bethlehem. The decree of Caesar sets history's stage, but divine providence writes the script. The Word who spoke light into being now enters the world as an infant cry. "Unto us a child is born," Isaiah declared, and the angels echo it. "To you is born this day a Savior." The covenant promises to Abraham, the royal oaths to David, the prophetic hopes of Israel, they all converge in this manger in Bethlehem. Heaven's armies proclaim peace, and shepherds, the keepers of Israel's flocks, become the first witnesses of divine love made visible. The Hebrew shalom here is spoken by the angels far more than a political declaration. It is a restoration of the interior harmony between God and all of creation, because now love breathes among human people, radiant in his own humility. The swaddling clothes of the Savior are priestly signs, the garments of one destined for his own sacrifice. From this cave of birth to the hill of Golgotha, the covenant love of God remains consistent. God has, God does, and God will forever give himself entirely for us, his created covenant children. Christmas Eve is the consummation of the entire longing of the Advent season, the night when eternity bends low to kiss the earth. And in that manger lies love himself, Jesus Christ, God's covenant oath fulfilled in flesh and blood and light itself. Blessed Christmas, my friends.